Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimals short division. Following on from the last lesson, we now look at how to do division of decimals using the short method. This is similar to the method we use when dividing whole numbers. Let's look at some examples. 3 divided into 56.7. 3 into 5 goes once, 2 left over. 3 into 26 goes 8, because 3 eighths are 24, 2 left over. 3 into 27 goes 9, and you put the decimal point perfectly under each other. See that? They're lined up perfectly, and so are the individual digits. So the answer is 18.9. 4 divided into 65.6. 4 into 6 goes once, and 2 left over. 4 into 25 goes 6 times, and 1 left over. 4 into 16 goes 4. Everything is perfectly aligned. 5 into 89.5. 5 into 8 goes once, and 3 left over. 5 into 39 goes 7, and 4 left over. And 5 into 45 goes 9. Excuse me. Everything is aligned. 6 divided into 97.8. 6 into 9 goes once and 3 left over. 6 into 37 goes 6 and 1 left over. 6 into 18 goes 3. The answer is 16.3. 7 into 86.1. 7 into 8 goes once and 1 left over. 7 into 16 goes twice and 2 left over. 7 into 21 goes 3. The answer is 12.3. 8 into 109.6. 8 into 1 doesn't go. 8 into 10 goes once and 2 left over. 8 into 29 goes 3 and 5 left over. And 8 into 56 goes 7. The answer is 13.7. Now you can see from those 6 very straightforward examples that a knowledge of tables makes this a very, very simple exercise. The better you know your tables, the easier it is to do these exercises, and you can do them quite quickly. Answer each of the following by using short division of decimals. Divide 241.2 into 9 equal parts. So we have 9 divided into 241.2. 9 into 24 goes twice and 6 left over. 9 into 61 goes 6 and 7 left over. 9 into 72 goes 8. The answer is 26.8. So there are 9 equal parts, and each part is 26.8. Divide 52.95 into 3 equal parts. 3 into 5 goes once, and 2 left over. 3 into 22 goes 7, and 1 left over. 3 into 19 goes 6, and 1 left over. And 3 into 15 goes 5. So the answer is 17.65. Divide 185.99 into 7 equal parts. 7 into 1 doesn't go. 7 into 18 goes twice and 4 left over. 7 into 45 goes 6 and 3 left over. 7 into 39 goes 5 and 4 left over. And 7 into 49 goes 7. So the answer is 26.57. And finally, divide 56.75 into 5 equal parts. 5 into 5 goes once. 5 into 6 goes once and 1 left over. 5 into 17 goes 3 and 2 left over. And 5 into 25 goes 5. So the answer is 11.35. So this video has shown us some very straightforward process where we can do division of decimals using the short method. And if you know your tables well, this is a very quick, streamlined and easy process.